Gradually, no, stop. Gradually, take your time, tip it over. Take your time, tip it over.
Creed 1760 Carmina.
See, we are now. Jesus Christ.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. What's up, guys? So in today's episode, we're gonna be doing some baking. Yeah, finally getting the Christmas treats rolling. So Christmas treats. Yeah, so I'm going to be making the sorrel and some Christmas cakes in today's episode. But first, I actually need to run to the store because I need to get red label wine and Rainifi rum. Luckily, the fruits have been soaking for a year now. Remember last year, every minute I was like, oh, I don't even get to make the cake yet. I went to Jamaica. I was like, oh my gosh, I never get to make the cake. And so the fruit's been soaking since that time. And you know, when your fruits have been soaking for that long, it's gonna be good. So, I don't know, so means not a big case. I'm not the best at this. The first time I ever attempted to make it was not just me. It was both myself and Divine that baked those cakes, and they came out really nice, but the texture wasn't the greatest. So hopefully it will be better this time. That I can't lie though, that vlog was chaotic. I was stunned to see that the cakes actually came out tasting really good, and I love that. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do in today's vlog. And yeah, so let's go to the store and get these stuff that are needed. I actually took the sorrel. I have some sorrel from last year that I got from Jamaica, so that's going to be my first batch of sorrel. I'll buy more as the season progresses and make more, but that's gonna be my first batch. I had to start the vlog off right with Sunta.
So I got my little apron. Did I show you guys this? I think I did. I don't remember. But I got this little apron. I was gonna get a Christmas theme one initially, but I was like, I'll get something that I could still wear outside of the season. I have other aprons, but they have like a bunch of stuff written on them, and I just wanted a different vibe. Like, so I got this one. I got it off Amazon. But yeah, so I actually took the batch of sorrel that I had out and put it to kind of just defrost for hours now. So I'm gonna wash it and put it to boil first. And honestly, guys, I did not check thoroughly to make sure that I have all the ingredients for the cake. I know some I have my fruits over there, so but like I don't have lime nor lemon juice. I'ma just feel like that's gonna push me back for half of the days tomorrow, which I really don't want. So let's look up this recipe again, because no, I don't know how to do this. This is my second time I'm gonna attempt to bake fruit cake. So dang, yeah, I have to go get a few stuff. I literally didn't get all the stuff that I need to get. I have some. See there? I have most of them. I have most of what I need. I got this eggnog at the liquor store just now. I think I got this last year. I don't know. I think I got this last year though, but I believe it was good. It was really strong. And honestly, I just shut my eye and get one with the dairy cream, because I got one with the non-dairy formula and it never tastes good. If you guys know a non-dairy formula spiked eggnog that I can get, and then let me know down below in the comments. But I want to make like some eggnog cocktails, like incorporate this into like a cocktail mix, but not into today's vlog, you know, just to spruce it up with movie nights and stuff. I just put it to freeze from that time when I came back from Jamaica. So yeah, tomorrow sweetening, you guys know the vibes, so everything will be done tomorrow 100%. Finish rinse it. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to buy some of the sorrel that's up here, the dry ones, which I'm gonna definitely need the cheesecloth for that for sure. Because those, it's really rich, but if you don't strain it with like a cheesecloth as opposed to a strainer, you find that particles will still come out. And I learned that last year. Actually, there was a few subscribers that did suggest the cheesecloth, so thank you guys so much for that. So I'm getting the cheesecloth, but this is the Jamaican one, which don't usually give me any issues, so I usually just use a regular strainer. Let me just go ahead and add some pimento seeds. I'm just gonna add some ginger extract. So it's the next night. I got everything that I needed to get at the supermarket. And I said, you know what, let me give you guys a little haul because I just got a bunch of stuff. So first of all, let me show you this. I didn't take you guys the other day. Okay, so throwback. I went the other day and I got, I had thrown away my everyday Uggs that I was wearing last year because I was wearing that last year and the year before for like my everyday winter shoes, and it was like kind of worn. It was very worn. Yeah, it was worn. So I threw that out and I went and I got a new one. Yeah, so that's the one that I got. And then I got some of TikTok shop. Literally I got one today and I wore it out just to feel it. It felt so good. And it has like fur at the top, but I don't have it here. It's upstairs already. But I actually got this pair from June Pairs. And why did I not pay attention to the color? Because I got all of them in black. Why would I do that? So I got this in black too, and all of them is like similar vibes. Well, the only difference with the next one is that it's like fur on this portion. But like, I'm bummed because I wasn't paying attention that I get all of them in black. But I'm supposed to have a next one coming that's gonna actually be in camel. So I'm bummed though. 3 pairs of very similar looking shoes. Come on. The only thing with the Uggs, as you guys can see, that's actually higher. So yeah. Yeah, but I went to DSW to get that one. Let's see what else. Ooh! Now this is a luxury one. 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 Okay, we coming in with the Creed 1760 Carmina. This is actually the first time. Should I do it here? Should I? No, I'm gonna do it here. I'll just do a reaction here. It's been a while since I give you guys a reaction. I always do it on TikTok. But ew. Can I zoom in? So shout out to Fragrance Net for sending your girl a bottle of Creed. Okay, I do love me a good Creed fragrance. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, okay, yeah, period. I just threw down the box. So anyways, they sent it to you girls. So I've never had Carmina before. I've had other one. Oh, but this is pretty. God, let me actually spray that on my hand. Oh, I never researched the top notes on this one. This is so nice. Oh, I think this is perfect for the winter time. It has a spiciness to it. It's florally spicy. I mean, I didn't expect any less. It's Creed. Even though, let's not get it twisted, a lot of brands that are pricey, sometimes it's just the name. And some of them don't live up to their hype at all. But this smells, oh, as it dries down, I definitely get more of that spicy scent. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I'm so happy. Fragrance Night hook your girl up. And even before TikTok shop, that's a site that I always would go to. Fragrance Net, and there's another one that I used to go to a lot too that I know are giving you the real deal, because you have to be aware of where you shop for certain things, especially when it's on the pricier side. But you guys know, being on TikTok, for me, I'm on TikTok shop, so a lot of brands like send stuff to me. So I'm very grateful for TikTok. I spoke about this before. Like, going over there, it rerouted me
to kind of be more into fragrances. And so since I've been on TikTok consistently, just, you know, showcasing a bunch of different products, a lot of fragrance brands send me stuff. Yeah, this is very spicy. So in the initial portion, with the initial spray, I got way more of that floral vibe, but now that it's dried down, it's very, very woodsy. This is a nighttime scent for sure. Yeah, cute little luxury unboxing right there. Okay, not bad, not bad. I got this new lights off TT Shop. Everything I got is from TT Shop. Everything. So that's what I'm saying. Literally, TT Shop is like a melting pot of everything. Ooh, this light is very compact. Let's see. Wait, I wonder if it charges up yet. Oh, this is bright. Wait a minute, let me see. Oh, so it can get brighter. This is blinding. I'm gonna have all of these in my showcase, by the way. So if you want any of these that I'm showing you guys, this bright, this nice. Yeah man, this more compact. I like this setup. Because my other one mash up. Like me did have one with as powerful as this out there, and it just stopped. It fell. So it stopped work. But ooh, it's giving daylight. That is nice. The moment I saw it though, based on how it looked, I was like, yeah man, this looks very nice and compact. So I got my tripod for my phone fell at the gym the other day and the head broke off, but that tripod did start the problems. And anyways, I got the new 361. It should be delivered by like tomorrow, so I am happy about that. Oh, it have the thing you can actually screw it on, so it's easy to attach to like tripods and stuff. I like how much smaller it is though. My other one was too big. Sometimes it wouldn't be holding in my handbags and it was annoying. Oh, it has a clip too. Oh, so instead of that I could just put it on the clip. But is this clip tight? It no matter. I have the USB cord to charge it, because sometimes I don't want to necessarily set up my big ring light and I want to just like have something smaller but very powerful. This is it. Anyways, that's it for my little haul that I wanted to show you guys. My TikTok showcase link is in my description box, so that's where you can get all the things that I'm showing you. It's just like on my Amazon store front set about app. Of course, you know, just like how you have to download the Amazon app, you have to download the TikTok app. So that's all you need to do and you can get the stuff. I got so much. Like what I'm wearing right now is from TikTok shop. The wig I'm wearing right now is from TikTok shop. On my PS LUXE hair, on my PS LUXE wigs currently, I need to wash them. Been procrastinating on that, but yeah, right now this is actually a wig I got from TikTok shop. Can you believe that? This is less than $100. Are you crazy? I got this because I like an everyday look. You guys know I love a good curly look, curly Sue vibe. But yeah, that's where I got it. Anyways, the link is down below. Check it out. Let's go ahead and jump into the baking sesh. Let's go. And Sorrel. And you want me to be at the first batch of cake coming out? You forget? Guys, I got this. This wasn't a part of the plan, but I got ginger cookies. I don't usually get ginger cookies, but just for the sake of the season, I said, you know what? Why not? Guys, excuse my little extra stuff. You know, you go to the supermarket for something specific and you end up pick up things where. Alright, here we go. Lemon juice. We got baking powder. Honestly, it's a little bit. The thing is, I do have some of these stuff already. I just got some of these stuff just to be safe. I do have them already, but you know, like when you probably have half or something left, you know. So I just got flour specifically just for the cakes right now. I didn't have any butter because I don't really use butter, you know, guys. I completely cut that out. I don't use it in cooking or anything like that. I try my best to stay on the healthier side of things. You guys know I indulge in anything I'm gonna indulge in, but you know, I don't do butter no more. So I got granulated sugar, dark brown sugar, and I got ginger because I needed ginger. So yeah,
that's everything I got. I also got some stuff for treat. Oh yeah, I got these. Well, I just needed one, but just to know it's easy because there are other little stuff. Because I'm gonna be making more sorrel. I got cherry syrup. Went to Stop and Shop and saw that they were having sale. So I was like, what? Grocery store having sale? I don't usually see that, but yeah. Oh, and I got a turn straight. I want to make treats. I'm not sure yet, but I got some chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate morsels. Sustainable sourced cocoa. Dark semi-sweet chocolate morsels. So made with real chocolate. I got this. So that should be fun. The other day when I went on the road too, I got these. So you know, we can make a really nice like hot chocolate triatag like nice hot chocolate treat. This is sea salt, caramel, dark chocolate, and this is Ghirardelli, and this is Ferrero Rocher chocolate. Yeah, that too. So, and I also did get this. I just never did end up getting for sure, I guess. Chocolate hazelnut cream filled wafers. Love these down. Love. I did the sorrel from the next pot and put it into this one just because this is way bigger. And I did add some water to it. Ooh, that smells good. And just stir it off like that. We just have the sorrel there. I have some brown sugar. Some Maria Nephew. Put some of that in there. Yum. Listen, you don't have to do this. This is optional. Alright? But we love a good spiked sorrel. I have some Red Label. And then still do some of the cherry syrup. Like all of this make it taste so much better than to just be like the simple sugar. Okay, let's taste what it's giving. Ooh, I think it wants some more ginger. I should have gotten a brand new bottle of this, but honestly it wasn't in the supermarket that we went to. So I just got the ginger that you saw. Those ginger don't have for kind of like blend them and something. And I should have got that ginger from yesterday to boil in this mixture. Okay, definitely better. Can use some more of this. Alright, I think that's it. Yeah. I even put some in my bottle, in my cups like this. These come in clutch because that's convenience right here. So I'm gonna put them in the fridge, have them chill while I work on the cake. Time for the cake, finally. So the first direction, because this time I'm doing it right. I remember last year I was making the gingerbread cookie and I mixed all the ingredients without reading the directions. Crazy. Anyway, so I'm going to be looking at the directions as while I go through the ingredients. So step 1 says preheat the oven at 350. This is just a random recipe. I think it's the same recipe I followed when I did it year before last, you know. So yeah, and it came out pretty good, so I just need to perfect it. So it says place butter and sugar in a large bowl, beat with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. And this is nice and soft because it wasn't, I didn't put it in the fridge as yet. It's a good amount of butter. This part always get me, like, this is why we really can't eat a lot of cake, you know. There's a lot of butter. I think this amount is good. I think so. Basically 2 this. 2. Alright. Then I'm gonna bring it over here because the plug is right there. So I do this till it's light and fluffy. Guys, you remember last year with me and mommy when we were making cakes when I was in Jamaica? The something stopped work. I don't know how come we never check it before, but I mean, we wouldn't know if we check it because I don't like we bake that much. Because we could have easily got what Mr. Wehana with hot way. No, sir. So I need to do more than half a tray of these eggs, so 9 eggs in all. So, and take out the iota of all of them. Alright, I feel a little more like, you know, like my bakes. I gotta put them in this because that need to wash out anyways. And then guys, I have to take the eye out of my eggs. Like, I'm sorry, if you know, you know. I can't do it. Keeping the eyes in make the egg too raw. Yeah, I know that a lot of people don't take it out, and I always wonder, but you know, I guess different households, this is just what I saw growing up. My grandmother do it, my mother do it. I have to take the eye out. It's time consuming, but boy, if me smell not even a hint of rawness, I can't eat it. It can't pass my throat. What you? Due to all you say that will come help me.
Never say that.
And you talk about you not smell nothing bake.
Never say me I come help you. Oh, not nasty.
What you? Yes, it both start. Come now, I want you beat something out for me, just like.
No, I'm just there. I go and watch what I go on. Remember there, I want my help.
Remember you had chef, you know.
I'm not a baker.
So, me not a baker either.
Well, I don't do.
So you not help me put a batch of baking again?
You never say me that I help you. Me I watch you.
Sure. Alright, so we have. Wait, I'm gonna miss one eye. I missed one eye. 9 eggs in. Beat these. I'm gonna grate this. Why? The 2 eggs, lime, almond, vanilla. Alright, how much vanilla? 1 teaspoon. 1 grated that. Alright, so I add them 3 something here now then. Gradually. No, stop. I don't think you can manage them something here, no?
More?
Yeah, alright. I guess. No. Alright, stop. Let me mix this in because.
You know what is this?
I guess, yeah. Not even more. I said flow. Alright. No, whole light. Why?
You don't have enough flour in it?
No flour no go in there yet. I just the sugar and the butter. Well, I feel like I'm going to put this in a something bigger. You think this is big enough for you? But now mix it more right now. No, because I have to add one heap more something, so I said this look like it will go over the amount.
Well, I meant that more.
Wait. Oh, that up there, so. You think so, though? Pass it for me, please. Let me transfer it in there and done. I forgot to transfer this, guys. This look like it's too small. Vanilla extra. Alright. The fruit mix that I've had, the fruit mix been soaking for a year, so let's get to it. Ooh, that smells well soaked. Alright, so gonna stir this in. Okay, why am I stirring and cutting like the flour is in there? You see what I was saying? The other bowl would have been too small. The molasses in. It says 1 cup, but what is left in here, so guys, is less than a cup. Jesus Christ. Lemon juice. It's to sift this in. You can't help me throw this in, please. Just throw it in and I'm sift it. No, it's already in. Alright, put 2 more cup right. nutmeg, half teaspoon ground cinnamon. They say a pinch of salt. Ready, Wally? Wait. Yeah. All right, ready? Fold it in. Wait now. Jesus Christ. Oh God, man. Remember, gradually take your time, tip it over. Take your time, tip it over.
Mix out that and then pour some.
Like some more flour for going here, so I'm not telling no lie.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, remember
Me no be a kind.
me no baker either. Jesus, it'll look more like it now. Yeah, see it here. Whoa. Whoa, my eye. Right, yeah. Everything. Whoa, yeah. So round and then fold. Round, fold, yeah. Round, chop. Round. What's it? No! Oh Jesus, me tell me back and so you do it, it has spoil. Round, you know say you come like some bad picnic. Me just say round chop, you look for me like you understand. And as me turn my back, you do your own at peace. So for real. Come taste it and tell me how the mixture tastes.
Yeah, but
It's good?
yeah, rub me nice.
Yes, a lot. This is the first one. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. This have about 2 more cakes in it. So yeah. Here smells real good, guys. This I did put it in the freezer, so it's really nice and chill. Let's see what it's like. Ooh. That's refreshing. Woo. And definitely I feel like I could add more sorrel. I'm gonna come use a one baggy. And then I wanted to go ahead and lengthen it. But it's good. Everything is nice and balanced. So this is something I keep on make throughout the season. So I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna end up having to buy the dried sorrel. A solid 8 out of 10 for you. It's the next day, obviously, and I left this overnight so it could cool and come together. All of that, I did wet it afterwards with some red label wine, all of them. And yeah, I baked 1.5 that I did for the baking time, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I think they came out pretty okay. As you can see, they're like the middle one here has more of like the cracks. So I feel like it could be a little bit more, you know, together. But hey, I'm still learning. I think I did a little bit better than last time, but we're gonna see. Let's taste it. If you guys can see, the middle one here, piece that teeth out, piece that eat off, and this one specifically, Divine pour it. So I'm claiming say a female one, I'm claiming say him bake it. So all I know is when I open it this morning, I see a piece I gone, and this one has had more poured in there, so it's kind of like it's bigger, it's thicker, but ooh, okay. So I'm just cutting from the part that he broke off. You see, it's really moist actually. It's really nice. I saw him broke from the part, yeah. Boy, oh boy, but I'm gonna taste it and see what it's giving. I never hear what him think about it, you know. I'm doing teeth it off. So I'm gonna see. Let's see what it's giving. Ooh. Okay. Wow, it's actually very classical fruitcake flavor that I once very much hated. It's nice and moist. So I feel like, again, and I think that's why I brought this much. I should have added a little less rum, because I did add a little bit more rum additionally. I think if I had not, probably if I didn't add that, it probably wouldn't have cracked. And that's the reason why the texture is a little bit on, like, it's more giving like more of a pudding vibe, so it's like a little bit heavier, but it's delicious. It's like very traditional fruit cake. This time I'm gonna give it an 8. This is good. Let me know which other treat I should bake for the season. So what are the traditional stuff in this vlog, in this Vlogmas episode? I want to know which other treat I should bake, which other treat I should bake. Let's have some fun. Not too much on me now though, because I'm very much a beginner at this stuff, but let's see what Divine thing. Be sure the people you eat.
Yeah, me have to taste it. Me have to sample it.
Well, taste it again. Make me know what your thoughts are.
That one are wicked.
All of them taste like that.
And that one a bit different, man.
What different about it? What different about it?
That one is spongy.
Yeah, it's a more of a pudding like texture and a sponge. Have like that traditional heavy fruit cake.
Yeah, I eat, man.
You like it? How much you rate it out of 10?
12.
Really? I give it an 8. He give it 12. So it's better than last time.
Yeah, by far.
I feel like too much rum. That's why I crack. Could have more together. But yeah, I
my
think.
production, you know.
Anyways, teamwork, I guess.
The teamwork.
Remember, say I won't leave my sugar in it, you know?
But just I take piece. The seeds are long, you know. Banana, you know.
Wow, the season long. To oh yeah, move. Me don't know if the cake gonna last that long.
No, man. Till last, man. Anyways.
Okay. Have a ball. I hope you guys had a time watching today's Vlogmas episode. I had fun. I'm not gonna lie. Reattempting this, I was a little nervous because I really didn't want to mess it up, and it came out decent. As I said, 8 from me. The man said 12, but hey, let me know what you guys think. I know you guys are gonna be like, so you should have done this or you should have done that. So but yeah, I know it's literally needs work, but I'm still happy. I'm still happy. It's definitely fun. And as I said, drop which other treat you'd love to see me do in this Vlogmas series down below in the comments. If you reach this far, that's what I want you to comment up to this point. If you reach this far, usually I give you guys something to comment, but today I want you to comment which other treat you want to see me make for the Vlogmas series. Yeah, last season I tried that. I tried making gingerbread. That was literally not that awesome, but I did it, you know. I want to try something else though. But yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. So if you made it this far, don't forget to go ahead and like, and if it's your first time watching me and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, share this vlog. Okay, as I said, comment and engage. I really appreciate you guys so much. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.